Thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. Still on Senior School Certificate Examination, NECO 2025, General Mathematics Paper 2. With us here is question 8A and 8B, respectively. Let's consider this 8A. We are asked to calculate the area of the shaded portion in figure 2.1. We have a figure here, that is figure 2.1, whereby we are asked to calculate the area of this shaded portion. Of course, we have a sector here with a triangle. Very important. The entire shape is a sector. Then this shape up here is a triangle. We have a triangle here. We have an arc here. We have a chord here as well. So to find the area of this shaded portion is nothing but the area of the entire shape, which is the area of the sector now, minus the area of this triangle will give you the area of this shaded portion. Of course, this is from measuration of solid shapes. Let's consider this question. Let's write down the solution. The solution to A now. Area of the shaded portion here now. Area of the shaded portion will be area of the bigger shape, which is area of the sector, minus area of the triangle. This is the sign for triangle. Very important. So if we can find the area of the entire shape, we now remove this out of it. Whatever we are left with will be the area of this shaded portion. Very important. An area of a triangle, when the two radius are given with the angle, is given as half AB sine theta. Area of a sector is given as theta out of 360 multiplied by pi r square minus area of a triangle now is half A times B sine theta, where theta is the angle sustained by this arc. So this is the formula we're going to use. Half AB sine theta. Our theta here is 54 degrees. So let's substitute. This will be 54 degree out of 360 degree times our pi is 22 by 7 multiplied by r squared. The radius from the question is 8 cm. That will be 8 squared minus half multiplied by our AB is nothing but the two radius now. So it will be 8 multiplied by 8, then sine 54 degree. Very important. So whatever solution we have here will be the area of the shaded portion. Very simple. So permit me to clean this 8A so that we can find the area of the shaded portion. So let's work on the area of the sector. We can say 54 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 8 square, of course, is 64. What are we going to have? We have 76032 degree divided by 360 degree times 7. That will be 2520 degree minus half multiplied by 8 times 54. First of all, it will be half times 64 multiplied by sine 54. Sure that your calculator is in degree. Sine 54 is 0.8090 to 4 decimal. Very important. So let's divide this. Degree will divide. We're left with 76032 divided by 520. We'll have 30.1714 minus, we multiply this by 64, we divide it by 2. That will be 0.8090 times 64. What do we have divided by 2? Divided by 2, leave our answer to 4 decimal. That's 25.8880. So Area of the shaded portion now. Area of the portion, shaded portion will be equals to, we subtract this minus, we remove this 25.88 from 30.1714. What do we have? We have 4.2834. The question says we have to leave our answer to two. Well, calculate the area of the shaded portion. We did not say, the question did not say whether to two decimal places or to three decimal places. So we can leave our answer as 4.2834 centimeter square, because area is measured in square unit. So this is said to be the solution to 8A. We are asked to calculate the area of the shaded portion. So the area of the shaded portion is 4.2834 centimeter square. Since the unit from the question is centimeter, so the area will be in centimeter square. So this is the solution to 8A. Let's move to 8B. Permit me to clean this so that we can solve 8B. Let's clean up to this point. 8B now. Let's read. A tin of milk has a radius 6.5 cm and height 13 centimeter. We are asked to find correct to two decimal places. The Roman numerals 1, the total surface area of the tin. Roman numerals 2, volume of the liquid in liters that will fill the tin. We are asked to take pi to be 22 divided by 7. Of course, this is still from majoration of solid shape. Tin milk here means cylinder. This word here means cylinder. So we center our discussion on cylinder now. So total surface area of a cylinder. Solution to Roman numerals 1 now. TSA of a cylinder, that's total surface area of a cylinder. Since the question did not say whether open at one end or close at one end, we use the standard formula, which is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. So this is the total surface area of a cylinder. Of course, if we like, we can factor out 2 pi r. So if we factor out 2 pi r, we'll be left with r plus h. So this is the total surface area of a cylinder now. Okay, so but from the question, let's bring out some information. Our r is 6.5 cm. Then our h, which is the height now, is 30 cm. Then our pi, of course, is 22 out of 7. It's just a question of substitution now. TSA now, total surface area now will be 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 times r, which is 6.5, bracket open, 6.5 plus the height 13, we close the bracket. Let's simplify further. The total surface area now will be, let's multiply 22, 22, let's bracket first, let's say 22 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 6.5, we divide it by this 7, whatever the answer we have divided by 7, we have 40.8571, bracket open, we add what is in the bracket, that is 6.5 plus 13. What do we have? 19.5. So the total surface area now will be 19.5 times 40.8571. This is 58571. What do we have? We have 796.7135. Total surface area centimeter now square. To the nearest to two decimal places, it will be 796.71 centimeter square to 2 dp. So this will be the area of the total surface area of the cylinder now, or the tin. Okay, so let's still check. We have 2 pi r, that's 2 times 22 times the radius 6.5 divided by 7. Yes, let's do it again. 2 times 22 times 6.5 divided by 7. Yes, it will be 40.8571 multiplied by 19.5, which is correct. So that is the solution to Roman numerals 1. Volume of the liquid in liters that will fill the thing. So it means we have to find the volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder, that's Roman numerals, solution to Roman numerals 2 now. Volume of a cylinder, volume of a cylinder, volume of a cylinder is given as pi r square h. Very important. We have to find the volume first before we convert it to liters, and the volume it will be in centimeter cube. So this will be 22 out of 7 multiplied by the radius of the tin milk, which is 6.5 square times the height 13. So let's solve this and see what we will get. Of course, let's multiply 6.5 square multiplied by 13 multiplied by 22. We'll have the volume V now will be 12,083.5. 12,083.5 divided by 7. So the volume V now will be, we divide it by 7, we'll have 1726.2143. This will be the volume, centimeter cube. This will be the volume, but we are asked to what? The volume of liquid in liters. So we have to convert this centimeter cube to liter. Very important. Permit me to clean here. Recall that 1000 centimeter cube is the same as 1 liter. Very important. Then if we have 1726.214 centimeter cube, what will be this in liter? So the only thing we need to do when we're converting from centimeter cube to liter, we divide it by 1000. So let's divide this by 1000 now. Okay, so divided by 1000. So if we divide it by 1000, we have 1.7262 liters. But the question said to 2 decimal places. So to 2 GP now, it will be 1.73 liters to 2 GP. We have converted to liter. When you are converting from centimeter cube to liter, we divide it by 1000. From liter to centimeter cube, we multiply it by 1000. Very important. So the solution is 1.73 liters to 2 dp. So this is said to be the solution to this question. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to TJ Smart Clinic for more interesting videos. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. God's willing, in my next video, we look at question 9. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.